Good morning, y'all. Welcome to Creel, Florida Living. We're getting ready to go fishing and have some fun and catch some fish. That's right. I'm getting a late start this morning. My wife's been gone, long story short, helping my mother out. She had surgery. Everything's good. So I slept late. You know, it's kind of quiet around the house except for that one. Right there. But anyway, I got to get all my stuff together because I had to take it out the Jeep and I'm borrowing my son's truck. So she took the Jeep. Yeah, this is supposed to be my gym, my workout room. But as you can tell, I have not been working out. I think it's turned into a storage area. So we're going to have to do something about that. I'm going to have to get rid of some stuff and other things. But yeah, I got stuff everywhere. I'm going to have to do some rearranging. Anyway. What's up, pretty girl? That's a sweet baby. All right, go. 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 Go.
Subtitles in the CC.
We're in northeast Florida. Kind of windy today. Stanley! There, Bebop. Stanley! Yeah, it's a little windy. We'll see what we can come up with. Whiting that time of the year. Maybe we'll catch another nice bonnethead or something, but just going for whiting. See some drums out there maybe. Use frozen shrimp. My go-to place is closed today. So I gotta go thaw these bad boys out. I got fish bites. What time it is. I've been in the water about 5 minutes and I'm already starting to second guess it. It's the weather report didn't show all this. It said 1 foot waves, you know, 11, 13 mile-an-hour winds maybe. And this one more like 20 mile-an-hour winds. And everything, the current is terrible. Everything that way, not to wash up on the beach. I've caught fish like that, but man, that makes it so hard to do. I mean, everything's just running that way. So, I'm going to give it up. I've only been in the water 5 minutes. I'm going to give it a minute. See what's up. But, hey, I made some egg drop soup. And you can do it, and I added Parmesan cheese and all kinds of stuff to it. You don't have to do it that way. You can do just the basic kind. I'm going to show y'all that real quick. Man, that stuff come out awesome. I'm going to show y'all that in a minute. While I do this, it'll only be a minute for y'all. What's up? We're doing a surprise today. There's something a little different out of my norm. I'm going to do some egg drop soup. What's up? That sounds good, doesn't it? That sounds good. What we're going to do is she said she bought some chicken broth. If not, I got backup. I got seasoning. I don't see no chicken broth. I don't know what she's talking about. Let's go look. I'm just trying to show y'all do a little video They ain't fishy, but hey, it's Krill Florida living. But don't worry, I got backup. I'm just making sure. I don't know what she said over there. Chicken broth. This camera and this video is gonna probably be. I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing. Oh, there, beef broth. She got beef broth. I just found it. You know, all kinds of. We try to stay stocked up on condiments. There it is. There it is. There it is. I got a whole big old can. That's what I'm talking about. Chicken flavor. Bam! Well, it don't matter. It ain't got to be filtered. It's gonna boil. I'm gonna do about that much. About 2 cups of water. I'm gonna put some beef broth in it. It calls for chicken. Matter of fact, dump half that out. I just thought about it. So I got a good 2 cups in there. I don't know, 2.5. 2.5. Alright, we're gonna lock that up. Oh, that's going behind the scenes. We're gonna get that going. This is the first step. Just get this warmed up. About medium. Then we got some. I'm gonna throw some chicken stock. So it's gonna be my own recipe, which is cool. It usually comes out pretty good, and I'm actually gonna add Parmesan cheese. I got my Italian seasoning, fresh. We're fixing to do that, and that. Let all this stir up. Turn my fan on. We'll be back. Let that. It's gonna take a few minutes, so we'll be back. I don't know what it is. Looks like weed doing. I'm gonna throw some in there. Some kind of Italian seasoning. I got it from somewhere, but whatever. We'll be back. Alright, we got that boiling. Turn it down a little bit. What we're gonna have to do now. Oh, this is gonna work. Find a way for y'all to see. Take 2 eggs. We got 2 eggs. It calls for a like a cornstarch or something to help thicken it, but we're going to use a little baking powder, Parmesan. That's gonna work. Try something different. It's gonna be a quick. After this, probably you ain't gonna even be able to see it. This work clouded it up. I don't have any. I need cornstarch. I don't have any. I'm finna drop it. Just turn it off. Let it do. I had to do something different. We'll come back and say how it come out. That's different. I didn't have no cornstarch, so I used beef broth, chicken bouillon, baking powder, and salt, pepper. And a little bit of herbs. think it's gonna come out pretty good. That's all. Alright. That's going on.
Bullying is the last thing I need. If he does it, it's unprofessional.
Cool enough. There's always, I gotta show you a little taste test. Yeah, I don't know how that's gonna work.
Whatever you like, Lucille. My house is your house.
Hey, make yourself at
Mm,
home.
thumbs up.
You need to handle this.
Don't worry,
What's that like, girl?
I will.
You got my bowl? Low carb. Egg drop soup.
This sucks.
Egg drop soup with a Krill Florida living twist. Add a little butter and a little Parmesan cheese. That's all I did.
Dimitri?
Egg drop soup. Krill Florida way.
Jessica
That's right.
What are you doing here?
Ain't that right, baby?
No idea.
Man, that egg drop soup was awesome. I ate the whole pot. Now I can't. You don't have to add everything I did. You can just do the eggs, a little cornstarch if you want to, salt, pepper, chicken broth or bouillon cube. That stuff come out great. Yeah. I ain't trying to get burned up. They're kind of staying out. They're moving a little bit, but this one must be a bad current right there because it's sweeping over. Nice whiting. It's 12 inches. Look-a-boo. Keeping him. Skunk out. Surprised. Man, that line just turns quick. They all keep going that way. Kind of rough. I'm surprised I caught a nice whiting like that. I'm gonna try a little bit longer, see what's up. Little bluefish. Hey, at least the bite's picking up. Throw him back, let him get bigger. Well, so far, it is just, that wind is not stopping. I haven't put my chair in front of my car, that keeps blowing over. My hat keeps flying off. A whiting and a bluefish. So I'm probably going to end this video pretty quick. So I'm probably going to wrap it up here soon. Head on back to the house and I'll figure out how to make this video. Add it with some cooking, just show me catching a fish or two, whatever, vice versa, whatever. We'll figure it out. But I know some of y'all like this. Watch this. I'm gonna eat some fried fish, wild fish. That's good stuff. I don't know what kind of fish it is. Good. Maybe we can come out of a curb store. I don't know what kind it is. Tastes familiar. Good. good. All over. He's about 10 and a half. Keeping the others a bluefish, I gotta throw it back. Hey, it's meal now. Hello, Whitey. He's about, well, he's 10 and a half too. He ain't the biggest, but hey, they're edible. I love whiting. Yeah, we're gonna probably call this a short day today. That wind is not letting up. I've caught 3 whiting, 2 blues. I kept the 3 whiting. It's just very, oh, I found a little starfish. It's dead. I usually throw them back in the water, but this one's crispy. Probably fixing to wrap it up, and I don't know how I'll do this video. We'll figure it out. There wasn't a whole lot of action. I'm very surprised I caught what I did catch. Well, I mean, with the conditions. I don't know if you can see, but you can see my line. All my lines keep pulling to the right, which is fishable, but with the wind and it's choppy out there, and it was supposed to be 1 foot waves. That's more like 2-3 foot waves. So we'll figure something out. Do like I normally do, show y'all around. I'm at a different area. I usually go way down there. I just stopped short, I don't know, what's that, a half a mile maybe from the boardwalk. Yeah, these dunes don't look tall back there, but this is a short one. It's 6 foot tall. It's just neat. But yeah, I'm fitting to wrap it up and ease on back to the house. Do like the news does. Man, it's windy. Nice shell. Got a little baby bluefish. A little big baby. Throw him back, let him get bigger. Take it. Whiting or biting. He's a good 11 and a half. He got a little baby pompano. Little fella. Throw him back. We're finna wrap it up. I think I ended up with about 5 whiting. Caught 3 or 4 bluefish. So for the conditions, not a bad day. Pretty clouds. I'm finna wrap it up. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Peace.